Hey guys, I'm OBSE Studios James McKnight here, and I am back. And this time, this was actually commented by someone named Declan Valentine. So thanks to him, he actually requested me to actually watch this video called Thomas the Tank Engine Gets Hijacked by Robot Chicken. Now, I don't know what to expect from this. So, without further ado, let's watch it.
Thomas,
Oop.
Thomas the tank engine was huffing and puffing when suddenly...
Bust my buffers! This isn't the way to the Whistling Woods.
No, it ain't, pal. Unless the mayor of Sodor gives me $100 million,
What?
we're gonna drive this dynamite right into Knapford Station. We got a problem.
Get me Sir Topham Hat. And you
What the?
come back.
What's she doing under there? What do you think you're doing? Rosie, what are you doing under there? Okay, for adults' purposes, I hope she wasn't doing what I think she was doing. Fingers crossed.
Later.
You know my schedule, dear.
Okay, people, this is what we trained for. So immature.
Can we all just stay on track?
Let's just get this bastard.
Oh, wow. Language from the Topham Hat / the Fat Controller.
Move.
Hang on, where's James's tender? James, the red engine is not the red engine without his tender. You can definitely tell they used the Bachman James, Bachman Percy, and Bachman Thomas. What other toys are going to use? Of course they used the dolls, of course. And they've used a green screen for like inside the cab for to see the Fat Controller's head there. 8 hours later.
Hello, Percy! Hello, Thomas! Wonderful weather for a hijacking, isn't it?
Shut your steam hole.
What the heck? Wait, whoa. I think I... Look at Thomas's, self. Hang on. That does not look like Thomas at all. He looks more like... It's like they've animated Percy, but they made it blue to make it less weird. And then they used this cab detail for Percy, and then color the green to give it, they think it's Percy. But then, if you look at my Lego Thomas that I'm currently in the middle of working on, he's got his extended side tanks, not the roundness of Percy's boiler, because Thomas's boiler goes right in here, and instead they don't show the side tanks. So yeah, I know what you're thinking. Thomas, are you really currently making the Thomas out of Lego? It's like, yes I am. And his rods do move, yes. So yeah, I'll talk about that a little later when I've currently completed on this model, alright? So yeah, let's continue the video.
And get closer.
I love being really useful!
What the? Oh
You'll never take me alive, Sir Topham Hat.
no! Yeesh.
Miss me.
Ooh.
Your blows are harmless.
My internal organs! Oh, just finish me, you pussies!
Oh, Thomas, what's your language?
Then back to the Skywolf. Request pickup.
Copy that?
Harold.
I'm on my way.
Harold the helicopter! You're a part of this!
That's right. I'm tired of taking a back seat to a bunch of steam trains. I can fly.
Ooh.
Song, Topham.
Ooh, that's gonna hurt.
What cruel dog would give a train a face?
Let me think. Your creator, Reverend W. Audrey. I know what you're thinking, guys. You sound like a nerd. It's like, I don't care. What do you guys say? Wait, what the heck? What the heck is on Thomas? Is that... Yeah, it is on Thomas. Something's on Thomas's back lamp. What is that? Is that it? Is that like a mini camera? Or, I don't know. Yeah, you could definitely tell these models were used by Bachman. So yeah, whatever's on Thomas's back lamp, I don't know what that is. Please let me in the comments below if you guys know.
Pump those pistons, you steam-powered son of a bitch! Topham, help me! I'll turn myself in, I swear! Just pull me up! End of the line, fuckhead!
Thank you, everyone. Knapford Station is safe.
You're quite welcome, Mayor.
And how did you dispose of the dynamite?
Oh. Oh, rest in peace.
And with no more public transportation, everyone on Sodor bought a Hummer.
Well, I've got a lot of work to do. Toot toot!
Everyone.
Okay, what the heck did I just watch? I know what you're thinking, James, that is so not nice to say. It's like, I'm sorry if you guys are offended by that. But I don't know what I just watched. Well, okay, that was weird. Well, that was weird, I gotta say, but I had a lot of fun watching it. Well, thank you guys very much for watching. This is LBSC Studios James Ignite, signing out.